Microsoft Sentinel CCF push connectors. Top questions and answers. Question. What is a Microsoft Sentinel codeless connector? Answer. A codeless connector in Microsoft Sentinel enables ingestion of external security data into Sentinel without requiring custom code development, using predefined templates and configuration-based deployment. Question. What is a push codeless connector in Microsoft Sentinel? Answer. A push codeless connector allows external systems to send data directly to Microsoft Sentinel using REST APIs or data collection endpoints instead of Sentinel pulling data from the source. Question. What are the primary components required to create a push codeless connector? Answer. The main components include a data collection rule, DCR, data collection endpoint, DCE, custom table schema, connector UI definition, and ARM template deployment. Question. Why are data collection rules, DCRs, important in a push connector? Answer. DCRs define how incoming data is transformed, normalized, and routed into Microsoft Sentinel tables for analytics and detection. Question. What role does the data collection endpoint, DCE, play? Answer. The DCE provides a secure ingestion endpoint where external services send logs and security events into Microsoft Sentinel. Question. How is data pushed into Microsoft Sentinel using a push connector? Answer. Data is pushed via the Azure Monitor Logs Ingestion API using authenticated HTTP requests directed at the configured DCE. Question. What authentication methods are supported for sending data to the connector? Answer. Authentication typically uses Azure Active Directory application registration with OAuth tokens to securely authorize data ingestion. Question. What is the purpose of defining a custom table schema? Answer. The custom table schema specifies the structure, fields, and data types used to store incoming security data within log analytics. Question. What deployment mechanism is used to publish a codeless connector? Answer. Codeless connectors are deployed using Azure Resource Manager, ARM, templates that define connector configuration, UI elements, and ingestion resources. Question. How does a push connector differ from a pull connector? Answer. A push connector receives data sent by external sources, while a pull connector periodically retrieves data from an external API or service. Question. What configuration files are required when building the connector package? Answer. Required files include the connector definition JSON, ARM template, UI configuration, and data schema mapping files. Question. How is data normalization handled in Microsoft Sentinel connectors? Answer. Normalization is achieved through transformation rules in the DCR, mapping incoming data fields into standardized schemas such as RSIM. Question. What is the benefit of using codeless connectors over custom connectors? Answer. Codeless connectors reduce development effort, simplify deployment, standardize integrations, and enable faster onboarding of new data sources. Question. Where are ingested logs stored after successful ingestion? Answer. Logs are stored in log analytics tables within the Microsoft Sentinel workspace for querying, analytics, and threat detection. Question. What is the typical workflow for creating a push codeless connector? Answer. The workflow includes defining a table schema, creating DCE and DCR resources, configuring connector metadata and UI, deploying via ARM template, and sending test data through the ingestion API. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.